Hello students, welcome back to KVD Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about how to draw the graph for a linear equation. In our exercise 4b, there are some questions for drawing the graph of linear equation. So I am going to tell you how to draw the graph for the linear equation. For this, I have taken two equations and I will tell you one by one for the both equation to draw the graph. So our question is draw the graph for the following equations, and our first equation is x is equal to 4, and for next I have taken y is equal to 3x. So first of all, we will draw the graph for the equation x is equal to 4. So let us do. So first one is x is equal to 4. In a linear equation where only one variable is given, so in that equation you will get the graph parallel to the x-axis or the y-axis. If the variable x is given, so you will get the graph which will be parallel to the y-axis, and if the variable y is given, in that case you will get the graph which will be the parallel to the x-axis. From here you can see that the value of x is 4. So for drawing the graph, we should have some knowledge of the coordinate geometry. So as you know about graph, you know this is x-axis. We represent this as x and here x dash, and this one y and y dash. We consider this point as origin, so we represent this as a O, and the coordinates for this origin is 0, 0. In the right side of the origin, this value will be considered positive. So from here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and upward side it will be also positive. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Towards this side it will be negative, and this one will be considered as -1, -2, -3, and downward also this will be considered negative. So it will be -1, -2, -3, -4. We can write this equation as x is equal to 0y plus 4, because there is no y, so we can say that this is 0y. So for every value of y, we will get the value of x is equal to 4. Let us see from here. If y is equal to 1, so x is equal to 0 into, in place of y we will put 1 and here 4. So this will become 0 and it will be x is equal to 4. For y is equal to 2, if y is equal to 2, then the x is equal to 0 into 2 plus 4, means this part will be 0, so 0 plus 4 will be 4. So for every value of y, we are getting the x is equal to 4. Means let us put this point, or we can write this as xy. Means the value of x is 4 and y is 0. Sorry, y is 1. From here it is xy. So the value of x is always 4 for any value of y is equal to 2. So now we will plot the coordinates in the given graph. So first of all we will put 4 1, 4 which will be the value of x. So it will be till here 4 and y. So this one will be 4 1 and next one is 4 2. So we will plot this point also on the graph. So in x we will go up to 4 and in y we will consider for here. So it will be 2. So 4 2. Now we will join the points. So when we will join the points, this one, this line will represent the x is equal to 4. So this is the graph of the equation x is equal to 4. So if there is no y or there is no x, only one variable is given, in that case you will get the graph which will be the parallel to the x axis or the y axis. But if there is two variable in the equation, for second equation it is, you can see y is equal to 3x. So we will draw the graph which will be different from this graph. So now we will draw the graph for y is equal to 3x. So second one is y is equal to 3x. You can see that if we will put the value of x, we will get the value of y. So we will make a table here. This is x and here y. So let's put the value of x is equal to 1. Means if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3 into 1. So 3 1 are 3. So when the value of x is 1, we get the value of y is equal to 3. Let the value of x is 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3 into 2. So it will be 6. So if value of x is 2, we get the value of y is equal to 6. Let's put one negative number. So if x is equal to -1, so we get y is equal to 3 into -1, and this will be the -3. So when the value of x is -1, we will get the value of y is equal to -3. Now we will plot these points on the coordinate. So in graph, this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this one will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This one also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So we should know that if both values are positive, that will be in this part. This part is plus plus. Both values is positive because x is positive and y is also positive. In this one, it will be minus plus because in plotting coordinates, first of all we put the value of x and after that y. So in this coordinate x is negative, so it will be minus plus. Here both will be negative because x is also minus and y is also minus. In this quadrant it will be plus minus because x is positive and y is negative. So now we will plot these points. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. So here it is x is equal to 1. In this case y is equal to 3. So this point will be 1, 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. In case of x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. So this will be this point 2 and 6. And if x is equal to minus 1, in that case y is equal to minus 3. So it is here minus 1. In this case y is equal to minus 3. So this will be the point minus 1 and minus 3. Now we will join all the points to get the graph of y is equal to 3x. So join the points and this line represent y is equal to 3x. So this way you can draw the graph for the given linear equation. If you will put the value of either x or y, you will get one value, and by plotting it in the coordinate or in the graph paper, you will get the graph by joining the points. That's all. Thank you.